Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs and we are doing the chapter Mensuration. Today I shall start with a few word problems from this chapter based on trapezium. Okay, so let's start. Find the area of a trapezium of height 15 centimeters and length of parallel sides 18 centimeters and 12 centimeters. So let's jot everything down. I normally take my smaller side as A. So I'll put my A as 12 centimeters, B as 18 centimeter and my height as 15 centimeters. Area of trapezium is equal to A plus B, that's the sum of the parallel sides upon 2 into the height. A is 12, B is 18, upon 2, height is 15. 12 plus 18 is 18, 28, 30. 30 upon 2 into 15. 2 ones are 2 15s are 30. 15 into 15, 225 centimeters square. So since it is a word problem, I will write down the statement. Find the area of a trapezium. The area of the trapezium is 225 centimeters square. Why centimeters square, children? Because we are finding the area, and area will always have a square on top. That's my answer statement. If the area of a trapezium of height 12 centimeter is 108, then find the sum of parallel sides. So they straight away want the sum of the parallel sides. Alright, so they won't want A separate and B separate, the shorter side separately, and they just want the total of A and B. So area is equal to 108 centimeter square, height is 12 centimeters, and what is required? Sum of A and B is equal to how much? Again, formula: area of trapezium is equal to A plus B upon 2 into the height. So area is given as 108, A plus B upon 2, what's the height? 12 centimeters. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sixes are 12. So since this 6 is carrying a multiplication sign out here, if I take it to the left hand side, it becomes division. So I write it below 108, and that should be the sum of A plus B. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, remaining 4, 48. So 6 8s are 48. So A plus B is in total 18 centimeters. My statement: the sum of the parallel sides is 18 centimeters. Put your answer in a box. Here, if the height and sum of parallel sides of a trapezium are increased 3 times, then find the changes in area. What's the formula? Area. How do we go about this? Children, okay, let me work this out this way. So what is the actual formula? it is 1 upon 2, or you can say a plus b upon 2 into height. Okay, and now there's another one which says it's increased in the sum as well as the height. So by 3 times. So, and then they want the change. So the change will be new area minus the original area. Correct? What's my new area? The sum of parallel sides has to be multiplied by 3, as it is saying 3 times, and the height is also multiplied by 3. So this whole has to be subtracted by the original one, which is a plus b upon 2 into the height. Okay, now everything on the second equation, or the second whole thing, original area, acquires a minus sign. Okay, so 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 3 and this 3, I'm going to multiply it first. So 3 into 3, 9, and then a plus b h upon 2. Okay, can I write it like this? Yes. Now this as well, a plus b upon 2 h. Understood this much, children? So 9 I'm just going to keep the 9 out right now. I'll put it outside the bracket. One and the same thing, 9 plus 9, and then a plus b h upon 2 minus a plus b h upon 2. This one and this one cancels. Correct? So what is the change, children? It is 9 times the change. Alright, what will your statement be? Find the change in the area. The change in area is 9 times the original area of the trapezium. Alright, put your answer in a box. Next one. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 28.7 and 22.3 centimeters and distance between them. So if I use the word distance, this is my trapezium, this is my parallel side, this is my parallel side. What's the distance? Distance is nothing but the perpendicular height. Alright? So let me note down all the values. So the smaller side I normally take as A, so it's 22.3 centimeter. B is 28.7 centimeters. Okay, and my height or my distance is 16 centimeters. Area of trapezium is equal to A plus B upon 2 into H. A is 22.3, B is 28.7 upon 2 into H is 16. Okay, so 22 plus 28, 22, 1 second, 7 plus 3, 10, 22.8 and 28.7, oops, it's 22.3, 7 plus 3, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, so it's 51. Okay, it's 51 upon 2 into 16. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. 51 into 8. 51 into 8. 8 5s are 40. So it is 408 centimeters square. Correct? So what shall my statement be? Find the area of a trapezium. So the area of the trapezium is 408 centimeters square. Next sum. The area of a trapezium is 984 square centimeters. So area is equal to 984 centimeters square. If the lengths of the parallel sides are 31.5 centimeters and 50.5 centimeters, find the distance between them. So A, shorter side 31.5 centimeters, B, longer parallel side 50.5 centimeters. They want the distance between them. So area of trapezium is equal to A plus B upon 2 into H. Area is given as 984. A value 31.5, B value 50.5 upon 2 into H. 984 is equal to 5 plus 5. Okay, 30.5. No, it's 31.5. 31.5 plus 50.5. 102.8. 82 upon 2 into H. Reduce it to the lowest term. 2 1s are 2. 2 4. 2s are 8. 1 41. 984 is equal to 41H. H is equal to 984 upon 41. So how much would that be? 4 plus 1 5. 9. Okay, 41. 41 2s are 80. 41 into 2. 84. So if I have to divide it, 984 divided by 41. 41 2s are 84. 4 is that to 82? Sorry, 82. What is wrong? 41 into 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 82. Yes. 82. Sometimes mind boggles. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. 164. So 41 into 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. Perfect. 164. So 41 1s are 41. 24s are 984. Hence the height is equal to 24 centimeters. What's my statement going to be? Find the distance between them. So the distance between the parallel sides is 24 centimeters. Put it in a box. Next sum. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 80 dm and 6 meters and altitude is 40 dm. And here's the hint. 10 dm is equal to 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 10 dm. So 80 dm is equal to how much? Cross multiply. 80 into 1 upon 10. Cancel, 8 meters. So instead of 80, I'm going to write 8 meters. Okay. And the altitude is also given as dm. So 1 meter is equal to 10 dm. So 40 dm is equal to how much? So 40 into 1 upon 10. Cancel, 4 meter. So here this also I'm going to write as 4 meters. Okay. You can do all this in your rough work, children. So we have the parallel sides. Okay, shorter side is A, so it's 6 meters. Longer side B, 8 meters. Bracket, I'll just write 80 dm. And height, which is 4 meters, I'm going to write 40 dm in the bracket. Okay, area of trapezium is equal to A plus B upon 2 into H, which is equal to shorter side 6 plus 8 upon 2 into 4. 14 upon 2 into 4. 2 ones are, 2 sevens are, 28 meters. Okay. So what is the area? 28 meters. So what's my statement going to be? My statement shall be, find the area of trapezium. The area of the trapezium is 28 meters square. Be very careful, children. Meters square. The area of a trapezium is 270 square centimeters and the altitude is 9 centimeters. Area is given 270 centimeters square. Height given 9 centimeters. If one of the parallel sides is 6 centimeters longer, so let shorter side be x. Therefore, B is the longer side is going to be x plus 6. So, if one of the parallel sides is 6 centimeters longer than the other means you have to add 6. Okay, find the length of both the parallel sides. Okay, area of trapezium is equal to A plus B upon 2 into H. Okay, area is already given as 270. A we are going to take as x. B we are going to take as x plus 6 upon 2. Height is 9. Okay, so 270, 1x plus 1x, 2x plus 6. Algebraic expressions. Now, this is in the denominator. One side take it to the LHS. It will come to the numerator with a multiplication sign. So 270 into 2. This has a multiplication sign. So on the LHS it becomes division. And this becomes 2x plus 6. 9 ones are 9. 9 threes are 27. So 30. 30 into 2, 60 is equal to 2x plus 6. If I take the 6 on the other side, it will become minus 6. So 2x is equal to 60 minus 6. 2x is equal to 54. Correct, children? Okay. Works fine? Yes. X is equal to 54 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14. Does they work correct? Yes. So x is equal to 27 centimeter. So we've got one side which is 27 centimeters, and then we have the other side which says x plus 6, which is nothing but 27 plus 6. So 6 plus 7, 13, 33 centimeters. Is it meters? It's yes, it's centimeters. So what is your statement going to be, children? It will be find the length of both the parallel sides. The length of parallel sides are 27 centimeters and 33 centimeters. Alright. Next sum. The area of a trapezium is 793 square centimeter and the distance between the parallel sides is 26 centimeters. If one of the parallel sides is 42, find the other. Okay. So area is given as 793. One of the parallel sides is 42 centimeters. Height is given as 26 centimeters. So area of trapezium A plus B upon 2 into H. 793. Substitution. A is 42, B is as it is, and height is 26. So 2 1s are 2, 2 13s are 26. 793, 13 comes on the LHS, comes in the denominator, and I have 42 plus B. Okay, so 793 divided by 13. 793 divided by 13. 13 6s are 78. You need to know your tables, children. Correct? So 13 1s are 13. 13 61s are 793. So 61 is equal to 42 plus B. If I take the 42 on the other side, what happens? It acquires a negative sign. So 61 minus 42, B is equal to 42, 52, 62, 19 centimeters. Okay, children? That's the other side. So find the other side. The other side of the trapezium is 19 centimeters. Put your answer in a box. The pattern of the iron grills of a window of area 3.78 square meter is in the shape of trapeziums of height 8 cm and parallel sides of length 17 cm and 25 cm. How many trapeziums are there in the grill? So children, there is a grill, okay, and the design of the grill is in the form of trapezium, okay, something like that, okay, and they say that this whole grill, okay, the whole grill has an area of grill is equal to 3.78 square meter. Okay, now we have to find the area of the trapezium design. We have to find the area of each trapezium. Okay, and for that we have the smaller side A, which is 17 centimeters, B, which is 25 centimeter, and H, which is 8 centimeters. So let's find the area of trapezium. What's the formula? A plus B upon 2 into H. Value of A is 17 plus 25 upon 2 into H is 8. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. And yeah, so this gives me 25, 35, 45, 42 into 4, which is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 168 centimeters square. So children, for to make our sum a little easy, let's remove the decimal. Okay, so 3.78 meters square, I shall convert it into centimeters square. Meter square is nothing but meter into meter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so that means to convert it into centimeter, I'm going to multiply it by 100 and again into 100. So 3.78 into 100 into 100 will give me the answer in centimeters square. Children, why am I doing this? Because I need to find out how many trapezium are there. So I need to have my units in place. I need to have both in place. So how many number of trapezium how will we find that out? By dividing the area of the window upon the area of one trapezium. Writing it in short form, children. Area of the window in centimeters is 3. So if I have to make this, okay, so let me multiply this and make it simpler right here. So 3.78 into 100 will give me 378, correct? Again I'll multiply it with 100, so I get 2 zeros next to it, correct? So what's the area of the window in centimeters square? It's going to be 378.00 upon 168. Alright, understood this bit, children? Understood why I have multiplied 3.78 into 100 into 100? Why I have done 100 into 100? Come on, now let's reduce this. Okay, let me reduce this. So let me take it as with 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 0. Now again, should I do it with 2? Okay, let me see, this goes by 6 as well. So 9 plus 4, 13, 13 and 5, 18. So it will go by 6 as well. So 6 7s are 42, 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42, and again 6 5s are 30. 1575. So does it go? Yes. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are. So 225. So how many number of trapezium would this grill window have? Grill pattern have? How many trapezium are there in the grill pattern? There are 225 trapeziums in the grill pattern. Alright, children, good to go. Next sum. If AB is equal to 67, this is my AB. This whole length is equal to 67. My AD is 41 centimeter. My CD is 58 centimeter. Okay, find the area of the figure in meters square. Okay, remember this meter square, centimeter square, all this goes a little tricky. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 meter square, which simply means meter into meter, will give me 100 into 100. Okay, if I have to convert meter square into centimeter square, children, very tricky. Alright, so let's get on to this. So I have to find the area. For the area, I will need this height DE. So what do? I'll take this as a rectangle. Okay? I'll take this as a rectangle. So if I take this as a rectangle, this part, this portion will become 58 centimeter. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So 67 minus 58 is equal to how much? 9. Let me write it formally. So AE is equal to AB minus EB. AE is equal to 67 minus 58. AE is equal to 9 centimeters. So I've got this as 9 centimeters. So by Pythagoras theorem, children, I can find the height, perpendicular height of this triangle. Correct? Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, okay, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. AD is how much? 41 square is equal to AE is how much? 80. Oh, not 81. It's 9 square plus DE square. 41 into 41 is 1681. 9 into 9, 81 plus DE square. 1681 minus 81 gives me DE square. DE square is 1600. DE is equal to 40. 40 into 40 gives me 1600. Okay, so I have got my height, which is 40 centimeter. Correct? Now, easy to find the area. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Writing the short form. A plus B upon 2 into H. A plus B. A is 58. B is 67 upon 2 into the height, which is 40. 2 ones are, 2 20s are. So 8 plus 7, 15. 6 plus 5, 11, 12. 125 into 20, which is equal to 2500 centimeter square, children. I found out everything in centimeters. Now, if I have to change from centimeter to meter, okay, so if 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100, which is 10,000 centimeters square, then 2,500 centimeters square will be how many meters square? So cross multiply. 2500 into 1 is 1. So I'm not writing it. I'm just writing 10,000. These 2 zeros go with this. Okay. 2 zeros in the denominator. That means 2 numbers and then a decimal. That's your answer. Okay. Word problem. So the statement is mandatory. Find the area of the figure in meter square. The area of the trapezium is 0.25 meters square. Correct, children? The perimeter of an isosceles trapezium. What is an isosceles trapezium, children? So these are the parallel sides, and these two sides are equal. Okay, when the non-parallel sides are equal, it is known as an isosceles trapezium. Okay, the perimeter of an isosceles trapezium is 134 centimeter, and the parallel sides are, so A shorter side 27 centimeter, B longer side 57 centimeters in length. Find the length of the non-parallel sides. Okay, so they want this. Okay, non-parallel sides of the trapezium and its area as well. Okay, so what is the formula of perimeter, children? One minute. Height is given. 1 second. A perimeter is given. Okay. So what's the formula for perimeter? If I name this as A, B, C and D. So perimeter will be A plus B plus C plus D. I know C and D are equal. So instead of writing C and D, can I write both as C? Yes, I can. Perimeter is 134. A is how much? 27. B is how much? 57. And here I'll write 2C. 1C plus 1C, 2C. 134 is equal to 7 plus 7, 14. 5 plus 2, 7. Correct? 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 84 plus 2C. Okay, 84 goes on the other side. 134 minus 84 is equal to 2C. 2C is equal to, okay, 4 minus 4 is 0. 13 minus 8 is 5. So my C value is 25 centimeters. So now instead of C, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 25 over here. Okay. Now do what? So we've got both the parallel side values, non-parallel side values we've got. Okay, now we have to find the area. For the area, I need to have my perpendicular height. So how do I get that now? Obviously by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what am I going to do? What is this? What is the measurement of this? So it is going to say if this B is 57 and A is 27, I'm going to get this extra as 30. Correct? This part is 30. So by Pythagoras theorem, my hypotenuse is 25. One of the sides is 30. No, it's not 30. How can it be 30? So so it is 25, and this is 30. This side also. If I have to make it into a rectangle, okay, if I have to make it a rectangle, some of it will go from this side. Correct? Some of it will go from out of the 30 that I'm left with. 15 on this side will go, and 15 on this side will go. Correct, children? Now, if this is my trapezium, I want to change it into a rectangle. Okay, my extra portion is 30, and I know it is an isosceles triangle. That means this length and this length will be equally divided, which is 15 and 15. Okay, so it's 15 square plus the height square. Correct? 25 into 25 is how much? 625. 15 into 15 is how much? 225 plus the height square. 625 minus 225 is equal to height square. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 2 4. Height square is 400. So my height is going to be 20. Correct? 20 centimeters. Okay. So now I've got my non-parallel sides. Okay. I've got my height, and all I'm remaining is area of trapezium, which is equal to A plus B upon 2 into H. A is how much? The shorter side was how much? 27 plus 57 upon 2, and my height is 20. 2 ones are 2 tens are. 7 sevens are 14. 5 plus 2 7 8. 84 into 10 gives me 840 centimeters square. Woo. So what's my statement going to be? The length of the non-parallel sides is, how much did we get it? 25 centimeter each, and the area is 840 centimeters square. Put it in a box. That's your final answer, children. So, that's all for today, children. Thank you and God bless you all.